Hi, Olive. Say hello.
Hi.
Say what we're gonna do this year for the PCT hikers.
We're gonna uh, we're gonna be a trail angel this maybe next month.
Yeah, I think starting in June. I mean, starting in March, we're gonna start coming over here, but probably closer to March 15th, I think, because most hikers will start on the 1st, and I think it took me 6 days to get here last year when I did my last of the PCT. Yes. No, I did. And even though right now today is February the what is it, 9th or 10th? 9th, I think. There's already, yeah, these things are filled with water. So we are planning on, I have a 4 and 2 schedule, so I plan on every 5th day coming out here. We might even, spend the night out here to do a breakfast in the morning. And stay all day. I think Legend might be out here in the early before he goes out to. Let me see. Yeah, before he goes out to Campo, he might be out here. I just wanted to point something out. I don't know if it's still there or not. It might already be gone. Yeah, there used to be right here. Look at this.
Oh yeah.
This right here.
Uh-huh.
I put this about 3 years ago. I wrapped it right around here. There used to be a sign, and this came from my car. I'm gonna take it back. It was on the ground. Yeah, this sign was falling down. So we're just here. We're on our way to Julian. We were yesterday over at PCT Trail right through there. We were in Idlewild yesterday. What did we do there yesterday? Eat at the lumber mill. Last year, there was a hiker that set up his tent right there, and when he put his stake down, he got into some poo. So please, people, don't go poo under the bridge. Go poo away from the bridge. Okay, so there's already water for those that are going to be starting. I think Daisy Smiles, Daisy Hikes is her YouTube channel. Here's a Professor +1 649 277 2275.
Need water?
Need water.
Need ride? Thanks.
Yeah. So yeah, we plan on coming out here. I think what I'm planning on doing is we're planning on doing is the day before we come out here, make some Chinese food, some stir fry, whatever, a bunch of it, let it cool down, put it in Ziplocs and or in containers, put them in ice, and then when we get over here, heat them back up again, bring paper plates, sodas, beer, water. Well, there's water here, so I'm not going to bring any water here, just maybe some, just to help with so they won't run out. And then bring hot dogs as well, hamburgers. We have 2 stoves, one of those small little stoves. We have a small table, and just come out here and do that and stay there until we finish the food, and then just get rides to Julian. Probably plan on doing that. There's another place, and I have to talk to Starlight, Nikki Hughes, for those guys that may have followed Nikki Hughes. I want to talk to her because her friend, hi Starlight if you're watching this, Nikki Hughes, her friend did some trail magic, but nothing with fire though, because the little area actually has a lot of bushes around it, so it'll be sandwiches, maybe pre-cooked hot dogs or something like that, cold. cold cuts, maybe sliders, I don't know. But I want to do some magic there and bring drinks too. I remember when I got there, oh my gosh, the Sprite soda, it was just good, the oranges and all that. So yeah, this year we're gonna go back to being trail angels. We did for years hitches over in the Paradise Valley Cafe area to Idlewild. Now we're gonna stick around here, Scissors Crossing, in this area probably. All right, anyway, just letting you guys know.
This is Felipe, Tin Man.
Tin Man, yeah, I'm Tin Man. That's olive oil. The Felipe and olive oil, or Olivia's Adventures. I think that the channel has had 3 different name changes. Anyway, it's a very small channel, but that's fine. It's not about how big we are. It's just the fact that we're enjoying what we do and like to share it. All right, hike on, everybody.